Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this cute dolly Halloween look, just keep watching. For eyeshadow base today, I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 26. Then I'm just going to jump straight into my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette. These shades do not have names, but I'm using this really deep orange shade, and I'm going to blend it from the outer corners all the way up to my eyebrow. I'm then taking more of that color and packing it onto the brush, and I'm just going to deepen up the shade in the outer corners. Now I'm just taking that ColourPop No Filter Concealer again, and I'm just going to freehand a cut crease. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. And I call it a freehand only because usually I do the eye trick where you look up and get the even eyes, but this time I'm just freehanding it. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Rio edition, and I'm going into the really pretty orange shimmer shade. They're all shimmer shades. I'm just going into the orange, and I'm taking that and packing that right on top of that concealer. Then going back into that deep orange from the other palette, I'm going to just blend those two shades together where they meet in the middle. Then I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner in jet black, and I'm just going to line my eyes with this. I'm going to throw on some lashes. I'm also going to throw on my entire face. I know I'm speaking faster than the actual video is showing you, but I'm just going to throw this on, throw on lashes, throw on my entire face off camera, and then I'm just going to come back in with the blush. And for the blush, I am using that same palette I used before with the same shade of orange, and I'm going to mix it with this other yellowy orangey shade, and I'm going to really heavily pack that on for a more dramatic look. Then taking my Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner in white, I'm just going to try and map out a bat on my nose, which is a lot harder than I anticipated. So you see me just struggling back and forth with this, and then I jump into some more NYX eyeliner, the Epic Ink eyeliner, to try and use that as an outline and then just fill it in with that as well. So I did that bat on my nose, and then I started the pumpkin on my cheek, and I used the same eyeliner, the white eyeliner, just to outline what I wanted to do, kind of map out my pumpkin. And yeah. Then I take my CC Beauty Flash Palette, and this is like the more primary color ones. Well, once we get there it is. I'm going to take the red and the yellow, and I'm also going to take the green, but I just didn't point to it. And I'm going to mix the yellow and red together to make this orange that I'm filling in the pumpkin with, and use the green obviously for the stem of the pumpkin. Fun fact, I actually almost left this pumpkin this amateur looking before I, did some more blending, but that's above me now. So next I took this same eyeliner and just threw on some white freckles, threw another bat on the other cheek, and then this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you in my next one.